Why setting realistic fitness goals matters.
Setting achievable goals is key to lasting fitness success. Ambitious plans can be inspiring, but unrealistic targets often lead to frustration and burnout. By choosing goals that match your abilities and lifestyle, you're more likely to stay motivated, celebrate progress, and build habits that last.
Understanding your starting point.
Before setting goals, assess your current fitness level. Consider your experience, health conditions, and daily routine. Whether you're brand new or returning after a break, it's important to be honest with yourself. This helps you choose safe, effective goals that you can build on as you progress.
Make your goals specific and measurable.
The best fitness goals are clear and trackable. Instead of saying, I want to get fit, try something like, I'll walk 30 minutes 3 times a week. This makes it easy to measure your progress, know when you've achieved your goal, and adjust your plan as needed.
Start small and build gradually.
Right. Begin with manageable workouts that fit your schedule. As your fitness improves, gradually increase your activity level or add new challenges. This approach helps prevent injury and keeps you motivated by delivering steady progress.
Celebrate progress and adjust as needed.
Tracking your achievements helps maintain motivation. Celebrate every win, no matter how small. Finishing a week of workouts or improving your endurance counts. If you hit roadblocks, it's okay to adjust your goals. Flexibility keeps your journey on track and ensures long-term success.